Your new business will benefit a lot from various internet marketing methods. But you don't have to spend millions of dollars just to get some decent exposure for your company. There are ways to make your business be seen and felt without doing overkill with your advertisement expenses. Make use of your online power through internet marketing. Here are simple methods that you may employ to boost the visibility of your business without shelling out more than what you can afford. However, these techniques need patience and some footwork to produce agreeable results. Firstly, you need a website before you can make use of these low-cost internet marketing strategies. So go create one or hire a web developer. It will display your products and services. This will be used in employing the following internet marketing techniques. 1. Affiliate marketing. This is the process of recruiting a network of smaller websites known as affiliates to drive targeted traffic to a website. Ad copy and links will be provided by the advertisers. You will have to pay a certain percentage of the sales profit to your affiliates. 2. Links. One of your goals should be to attain a good ranking with search engines. One way to do it is through link building. This could be done through trading links to other businesses that are related with yours. 3. Newsletters. Sending out newsletters to your subscribers, those who signed up for your newsletters, will help greatly in establishing a good working relationship with your customers or prospective customers. It has to be short, sweet, consistent and written for a general audience. 4. Email marketing. As one of the best cost-effective internet marketing tools, it stays as a very important method of keeping your customers aware of your products and services. Just make sure to avoid spamming or soon enough you will have to close down your business due to complaints. 5. Articles. If you put quality content in the form of articles in your website along with your products and services, search engines will have to index your website. Getting your website indexed by popular search engines means more traffic for you. Expand your internet network is through joining forums that mainly discusses stuff regarding or related to your products and services. Actively posting responses or answers and asking relevant information will build your reputation as that forum's member and boost your company's visibility through your signature files. These signature files are those that go with your every post. Links to your website could be included in this signature. Thank you for watching.